How to record the correct name pronunciation and display it on your LinkedIn profile. Did you ever get your name mispronounced? Sure, people who share a common language or culture with you will not fail to pronounce your name correctly. On LinkedIn, you connect with people from all over the world, and, probably, they might not know your name's proper pronunciation. To solve this issue and make the platform an inclusive place, LinkedIn offers a functionality that allows tape recording your name with your voice for 10 seconds. There is no restriction on the recording feature to resolve your name. You can likewise pronounce words about yourself and welcome individuals to create an excellent first impression. Everyone can hear the recording by tapping the speaker icon near your name once you have made the recording. Follow these easy steps to record and display your name pronunciation on your profile. You currently can't record or edit your name pronunciation on the LinkedIn desktop website, but only on the LinkedIn iOS and Android mobile app. So, let's switch devices to get started. I am on an iOS mobile device where the LinkedIn app is installed. 1. Tap on your image. 2. Tap on View Profile. 3. Tap on the pen icon to edit from your introduction section. 4. Tap Record Name Pronunciation. And tap on Record New Pronunciation. 5. Tap and hold the recording button to record your name. 6. Tap the Apply button when you're satisfied with your recording. Tap Save. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.